Hello YouTube. Today we're doing the rear brakes on a Hyundai Tucson. So we've got the wheel off, we've got it propped up both wheels. As you can see, that wheel isn't touching the floor. We've already done the other side. We've got the wheel off. We've got the handbrake is off, obviously, because we're doing the rear brakes and that's where the pads sit inside, the handbrake pads. So we're going to get started. For some reason, this is 14mm, both bolts. We've got on the caliper, ow, don't headbutt the car. On the caliper we've got this bolt, and that one. Then we've got this one, and this one here. And I don't know why, but they are both, focus, you know, they are both 14mm. And I could have sworn one was supposed to be a 17, but hey ho. So, we're going to put a bit of an extension on. Loosen these up. If yours are anything like mine, you're going to really have to swing on them. This one wasn't too bad. Is down there. And that one. That one, I had to really lean on it, and it's actually still a bit tight. But yeah, luckily I quite like to go around and loosen them all off first, just to double check that everything's loose. Because otherwise... So we've loosened all 4 bolts off now, they're nicely loose. We've got the caliper bracket up there, just for when we take this caliper off. Now I've swapped mine, because these ones have actually got 2 little screws in the face of the brake. I've swapped mine to a... Aeroplane's gone, yay! I've swapped mine to a 4mm, you probably can't see it, focus! 4mm Allen key. You can buy these online, because these ones only come with a filter, and a lot of times when you end up seasoning, it's just not fun trying to get them out. I don't know if you see the videos I've done, but one of them I've actually had to drill it out, so let's go now with them. And then, with a flathead screwdriver, got this little, it's like a rubber stop thing. Sometimes these get lost, but we like to make. So with this brake adjuster, I just keep getting in the way, don't I, folks? So we've got the spring. This is at the 6 o'clock hole, and then we do it up. So you put it in, and I need to be where y'all are. Yeah, you put it in, and then do it up like that, just so it actually releases. So I'm gonna keep doing this. A lot of them you do them down, but this one, obviously, because it's a Hyundai, it decides it has to be awkward. There you go, that's a lot freer than it was. So, now we're going to take the caliper off and hang that up. If you need to, get a 17mm, put that on there, just to stop it sliding. Yeah, get that on there just to make sure the slide pin doesn't move. I don't need to be worried about that. Check your bolts. And then rock it just to slightly back the piston in. Hang this up. It's not too bad actually. Voila! We're going to get in there in a minute and clean all this up. Now you probably... I'm going to move my coffee. I'm going to drink my coffee and then I'll come back to you. So we're going to take the 2 bolts off the back that hold the one off. I can't take that. That's 2 off. So we've got a thingy-McDougal. Looking at what's on there, just so it's easy to do. Now we'll pop that off. Pop that off if we can. Just slowly. Don't want to be breathing this stuff in. So we're gonna put that one like that. You don't normally want to use reuse the brake hardware, but for some reason the brakes I bought didn't come with any. This is stuck on. Hit it with a hammer. There. Do not hit your studs. So we've backed the brake off now. We've hit it with the hammer. Hey. Now, obviously you're not going to be able to feel it, but there's actually a rust ridge in there, and that's generally what grabs all of the brakes. This, hold here, hold on. Before we put the brake disc on, we'll allow it up in grease. Just to make sure next time we try and come off, it won't be as hard to do it today. I'm kind of doing this and I'll come back to you and put the brand new brake disc on. Brand new brake discs. So, down backwards. Fresh gloves, by the way. So, I've got the brake cleaner. Fresh brand new rag. We're going to make sure we line it up. Should be lined up. Our brake rewind tool. Need one of these, but it still works now, so we use it to socks. Oh, something else I forgot to mention. We've been under the bonnet and we've opened up the weird reservoir. So we've got one brake pad in. Now I haven't put any copper grease on that side, but I have put it on the inside of these. These will have now. That did not look like citrusy one. We've got the anti-seize. A little bit on the back of that tab, a little bit on the back of that one, and a bit on the face of the piston. Job's good, huh? Make sure you clean your finger. Everybody. What do you do? Happy days. I don't know why I just said everybody. These two in, and then we'll talk them down to, I have no idea yet. So I shall find out what to talk them down to. 17mm spanner again. Focus. And then we've got the 14mm as well. Woo! Focus. Woo! Anyway, trust me, that's a 14mm. Just going to tighten it up for now. Stuff like this that takes forever, when you're a DIYer especially, because I thought I'd lost a washer. Now, focus. I thought I'd lost a washer, and I hadn't. It had just rust welded itself on. So now, I've managed to get it off, but I'm having to go around to clean it up, just to make sure that it doesn't rust weld itself on. And then I'm going to put a load of anti-seize slip stuff on it. I'm going to clean the inside of that washer too. But it's stuff like this that takes forever. We will be back soon. Don't overdo them yet, we're just gonna nip them up tight. That'll do for now. Then we're gonna get in here and we're gonna spin the brake disc till we feel kind of drag all the way around, and then that should be fine. Yeah, we'll make sure it's all clean, which it should be. Put the rubber stop back in. Put the tire in the engine bay. There is the brake reservoir. Make sure you put the lid back on that, because I've taken the lid off that. Then And yeah, put your tyre back on. Once you've torqued all your nuts up, I'll put the torque specs in the description. And then, yeah, happy days. Thank you very much for watching. Bye. This is the kind of thing you're looking for. Handbrake is on. This is before I've even taken it off the axle stands. This one, that's as solid as it's going to be without there being slack in the drive. However, this one, handbrake is still on, mind, and I can spin it. So we're going to take this tyre off and we're going to tighten up the handbrake. Yeah, just one more thing to look out for before you even, literally before you even drop it down. I've put both tyres on to give me extra purchase, and now I've found that I need to do that. Like I say, I haven't even, handbrake is still on. So we're going to take that off now and we're going to get onto it. Be careful, folks. Thanks for watching.